Welcome to the first lecture for the category of heavy bus and heavy truck. The lecture title is Attitude and Responsibility. So, this lecture is a common lecture for the learner drivers who will enroll for the heavy truck and the heavy bus. So, let's proceed with the first lecture. First of all, introduction. So, in the introduction, we will explain you about training and testing flowchart. Afterwards, we will explain you the procedure of the knowledge test and how you can prepare yourself for the knowledge test. And we will also explain you about the theory test organization, how the theory test is organized, how it's going to be conducted. So, it will be discussed in detail. First of all, kindly check the flowchart. This will explain you about your entire journey with the Excellence Driving Center, how you have to proceed with the journey and what you have to do and follow throughout the journey and how can you achieve your milestone. It means your driving lessons. So, first of all, you have to open the file. After opening the file, you have to attend the 8 mandatory theory lectures. So, there are 8 mandatory theory lectures for the category of heavy bus and there are 9 mandatory theory lectures for the category of heavy truck. After attending the theory lessons, you can attend the mock test, which is an optional, but it will be a helpful tool which can help you to prepare for your knowledge test. After attending the knowledge test, if you pass, you can start your practical training. In the practical training, you will have to proceed from stage 1 to stage 5. Then you can go for the yard test. After passing the yard test, you have to proceed for the on-road assessment. After passing the on-road assessment, you have to take the training for the articulated vehicle. Again, this training is mandatory for the heavy truck only, but it's not mandatory for the heavy bus students. After attending the training session of heavy articulated training, you can proceed for your RTA road test, which is the final step. So, in the RTA road test, if you passed in the first attempt, you will take your license, which is the final step. But unfortunately, if you failed, then nothing to be worried. You can again attend the training session. You have to appear in the 8 practical training session. So, after attending the 8 practical training session, you can again appear in your final road test. So, this is the complete journey as you can see here on the screen, which explain you each and every steps you have to go throughout the journey. Over here we will explain about the knowledge test procedure. So, how the knowledge test is going to be conducted. As you can see on the screen, during the knowledge test there will be 2 parts, questions and the hazard perception test, which is also known as HPT. In the questions, the question will appear on the screen and you will receive 3 options just below the question. Out of these 3 options, 1 option is correct and 2 options are wrong. So, after reading the question carefully, you have to read the options which are given below and then you have to select and you have to click on the right option. I would like to explain you how the HPT, hazard perception test, works. So, kindly look this small tutorial. You can watch it carefully and during the tutorial I can intervene sometime and I can explain you about the most important and relevant points. Please check the tutorial. So, there are 5 hazard perception test clips in the test. Each clip will play for 20 seconds approximately. The clips will be somehow like this. There are different clips. You have to watch the clips carefully just to identify the most hazardous traffic conditions. As you can see, the vehicle is jumping. After the clip, you can see the screen will be blank for some time and then the question will appear with the written text with the available options as well. The screen will be like this. You can click the button. You can change your answer before submitting if you are not satisfied with your answer. So, this was a small tutorial to explain you that how the HPT, hazard perception test, will be conducted. Now we are moving to the next screen. In this screen, we will explain you how you can prepare yourself for the knowledge test. So obviously, if you want to appear in any test, you have to prepare yourself first of all. And to prepare yourself, you need some kind of tool, some kind of help. So here, we have two different kind of tools which will help you to prepare yourself for your knowledge test. First of all, Excellence Driving Center, EDC, will provide you the theory lectures. As I said in the beginning, 8 theory lectures are mandatory for the HVB student, heavy bus student, and 9 lectures are mandatory for the heavy truck student. After attending the lectures, you can come and attend your mock test. Mock test is a replica of the RTA knowledge test. It's a free of cost, you don't need to pay anything. Just book the test and you can come to the Excellence Driving Center and you can come and attend the mock test. Apart from that, you can visit our website. This mock test is also available on the website. If you have some difficulties to come to the main center, no worry, there's nothing to be worried. You can stay at your office, at your home, and through our website, you can visit the mock test. RTA have also shared some kind of tools to prepare for the knowledge test. First of all, the student handbook. So once you're registered, you will get a handbook. Nowadays, this handbook is not available in the hard form, but you can download it from the RTA side. The link will be provided to you from the customer service counter. You can visit the RTA website and you can also download the RTA mobile application from the App Store. This will definitely help you to review and to practice the question. At the end of the question session, you will see your result. So these are the tools which will help you to prepare yourself for the knowledge test. Now I will explain you the theory classes, how the theory classes has been organized. So as you can see, there are 8 mandatory theory lectures. The first one is Attitude and Responsibility, which I will explain you shortly. Second is Traffic Science and Road Marking. This is all about the traffic signs, signals and road marking are located and applied and fixed on the UAE roads. In the third lecture, we will explain you how you can manage the risk. In the fourth, we will discuss about the different conditions of the driving. In the fifth lecture, we will explain you what are the different driving environment and how the drivers have to negotiate in order to minimize the hazards when they are driving on the road. In the lecture number 6, we will discuss about the rules of road. In the lecture number 7, mostly it is based on the HPT clips. And finally, there will be a lecture of maintaining your vehicle. So in this lecture, we will discuss about the case studies and how you can maintain your vehicle. For the students who enrolled for the heavy truck category, they will have to attend an additional lecture, the lecture number 9, and that will be articulated vehicle. It's only for the students enrolled for the heavy truck. Let's have a look at the contents of the lecture. So what we are going to explain you today. First of all, it's attitude in driving. Second content is insurance and what it doesn't cover. We will discuss about the consequences of accident. We will explain you what is a seat belt, what is the importance to use the seat belt, and how the seat belt is designed to prevent the accident, prevent the injuries if something happens on the road. We will also explain you why the medical checkup is required for the HVT or HVB drivers. And finally, we will discuss about constant learning because we believe learning process never ends.